Jamie Sciberras is my name, and in partnership of business with my wife, Sarina Sciberras, and we operate out of Bullara. I'd been working for about 7 years, travelling up to Melbourne in the fitness industry as an account manager. I wanted to, I suppose, simplify my life in a sense and work around my family and at home. We felt that there was a niche for a premium product. Yeah, we got that going 3.5 years ago now. It's the flavours that we have. We're really diverse. You want something different, and that's what we've done. 10 different flavoured yo-yos now. Customers don't always want the same flavour. You're always going to come up against price-sensitive people. There's areas that people ain't about just price, it's about quality. That's where we wanted to be premium, but really hold a good price. The other challenge was being handmade, you've got to go to the next level, but then it can't be handmade. And we found that out because of the difficulties with my hand. Having 2 operations, a carpal tunnel and a trigger finger, we needed to go to the next level because of my hand. We had to go to automation. We had to think outside the square because 60% of our market are cafeterias, which were affected. We came out with I wanted to do this actually, should I say, I wanted to do this about 3 years ago. It wasn't our direction. This is a great opportunity now where people are isolated, their children are home from school. Why not we offer a DIY pack, yo-yo pack, because we're renowned for our yo-yos, that they can do at home, because they are at home. Yeah, they can experience, I suppose, what we do day to day. And yeah, it absolutely went off its head. I actually love doing it. It's a lot of fun. It's a great opportunity able to get out there because, again, we haven't even got this out in stores, say, for instance, which we could do. You don't really find many of these mixes in a biscuit form. Great opportunity there, but we've got to do it right. Facebook's been the key for us. We've really tried to leverage off the latest issue, by using social media, by using Facebook and Instagram. Our numbers, have grown. The visibility, I suppose, through Startup in Latrobe City has got us out there in the market more. Numbers-wise, we're talking about 30% of growth. The knowledge that we took away, the training that we were given, that has also helped with the growth in those numbers. It was around the startup program time that we were trying to implement and trying to get investors on board. If we look around us, yes, it's a flow and effect, and we can sit there and ponder on the negatives. We should be putting our energy in the right areas as much as we're going to be negative and down. So it's about thinking of, okay, it is what it is, but what can we do within our power? Think outside the square. That's what we did ourselves as a family business. We thought, okay, it is what it is. We're going to lose X amount of customers, but what can we do to actually still get product out there and keep our business ticking? Keep going, keep trying, work out different ideas, and just, again, keep positive. If you have the opportunity, get on board with Startup Gippsland. Don't let it slip. And this will be so beneficial for your business. Plus, I need to add, and I continue, the guys at Startup Gippsland are magnificent. The help that they continue to give is exceptional. So give it a go. You've got to get these programs into your business. Mentoring, it's a must.